Anyone can draw cartoons. Take a pen and a paper and draw with me. Draw a curve to create a cartoon nose. Make a 6 for the right eye. Make another 6 for the left eye. Create a curve for a smile and another curve and an S inside for the ear. Draw a curve for a chin, another curve for the back head. Draw a curve for the neck and 2 lines for the shoulder. Add some spiky hairs and the cartoon is ready. Thank you for watching. You just helped someone get free education. I am on a mission to provide free education through my channel.